Let us look what a question tag is. Dear students, can you see 3 sentences with a little question at the end of it? First sentence is, Peter works hard, doesn't he? Second one, you're a dancer, aren't you? Third one, they won't help us, will they? These 3 sentences contain a statement followed by a little question at the end of it. Such questions are called question tags. So what is a question tag? A statement followed by a little question is called a question tag. A question tag is used when the person asking the question already have the information but wants to be confirmed. Here, another example is given. She speaks French, doesn't she? Here, she speaks French is a statement followed by a little question, doesn't she? So it is a question tag. Here the speaker of the question already knows that she speaks French, but the speaker wants to confirm it. So, a question tag is used when the person asking the question already have the information but wants to be confirmed. Next, let us look the formation of question tags. Question tags are formed with the auxiliary or modal verb from the statement and the appropriate subject. Let us look the examples given there. Jack is from Spain, isn't he? Here, Jack is a subject and is the auxiliary verb. So when we are forming the question tag, Jack, the subject Jack, will change into pronoun he. Jack will change into pronoun he. And the auxiliary verb is will change into is not, isn't. Second example, Mary can speak English, can't she? Here Mary is a subject and can is the auxiliary verb. So when we are forming the question tag, Mary, the subject Mary will change into pronoun she, S-H-E, she. And the auxiliary verb can will change into cannot, can't. Next, the third example. They aren't funny, are they? Here, the subject is they and auxiliary verb is aren't. So, when you're forming the question tag, they will remain as they itself and aren't will change into are. So, the question tag formed is are they. Next, Jason likes tennis, doesn't he? Here, Jason is the subject and likes, L-I-K-E-S, like plus does is likes. So here, when you're forming the question tag, Jason will change into pronoun he and does plus like likes. So we are taking does from that and we are using, in question tag, we are using it as doesn't, D-O-E-S-N apostrophe T, doesn't. So the question tag formed is doesn't he. Now, let's check the important rule of formation of question tags. There are 2 types of question tags. They are positive question tags and negative question tags. A positive statement is followed by a negative question tag and a negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. That is a rule. Okay, a positive statement is always followed by a negative question tag and a negative statement is always followed by a positive question tag. Let us take the examples given there. First sentence, Jack is from Spain, isn't he? Jack is from Spain. It is a positive or a negative statement? It is a positive statement. Jack is from Spain is a positive statement. So a positive statement should be always followed by a negative question tag. So here the question tag used is isn't he, is not he. It is a negative one, negative question tag. So Jack is from Spain is a positive statement. It is always followed by a negative question tag, isn't he. The second example, Mary can speak English, can't she? Mary can speak English. It is a positive statement. So it should be followed by a negative question tag, Can she? Cannot. She. Can't she? Okay, it is a negative question tag. Next one, the next example. They aren't funny, are they? Here, they aren't funny is a statement. It is a negative statement. They aren't. They are not funny. It is a negative statement. So if it is a negative statement, it should be always followed by a positive question tag. So here the positive question tag used is are they. They aren't funny is a negative sentence, negative statement. It is followed by a positive question tag, are they. Next example. He shouldn't say things like that, should he? That is a negative statement. He shouldn't say things like that. Shouldn't, should not say things like that. It is a negative statement and it should be followed by a positive question tag, should he. Should he is a positive question tag. Now let's check some more examples. Dear students, can you see two columns there? Column A and column B. In column A, we have positive statements with negative question tags, and in column B, we have negative statements with positive question tags. Let us check. First one, Miss Desai is very busy, isn't she? Miss Desai is very busy is a positive statement. Isn't she is a negative question tag. Mrs. Shah isn't very busy is a negative statement and it is followed by a positive question tag. Is she? Next one. She speaks French, doesn't she? She speaks French is a positive statement with a negative question tag. Doesn't she? She doesn't like speak French is a negative statement with a positive question tag. Does she? Next one. Mr. Bose went to Paris, didn't he? Here we have positive statement. Mr. Bose went to Paris. It is a positive statement. It is followed by a negative question tag. Didn't he? Next, Mr. Rajput didn't go to Paris. Did he? Here Mr. Rajput didn't go to Paris is a negative statement followed by a positive question tag. Did he? Next one. There has been a lot of rain lately, hasn't there? It is a positive statement followed by a negative question tag. Hasn't there? Next one. There hasn't been much rain, has there? Here we can see a negative statement followed by a positive question tag. Next. They will help us, won't they? They will help us is a positive statement and it is followed by a negative question tag. Won't they? Next column. They won't help us, will they? They won't help us is a negative statement and it is followed by a positive question tag. Will they? So, according to the rule, a positive statement is always followed by a negative question tag and a negative statement is always followed by a positive question tag. Thank you.